Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys an unboxing or unwrapping of origami paper that I got from Seidia, which is a 100-yen store in Japan. And this particular series is made by Kyowa, and they're a made in Japan kind of company, which is cool. And they always feature really cute, artistic, sort of fun, modern kinds of different origami papers, and they have so many different ones, and they always seem to have a few new ones every time you go, which is really great because the Daiso stock doesn't change. In years it hasn't changed, so it's nice to have something always new when you go here. And this is an adorable little series that features world travel, so world locations that you'd want to go to traveling around. The paper itself is really great. It's a nice little thin, crisp paper that folds really nicely, but it's still sturdy, so you can make a really nice thing when you do this, and it turns out pretty cool. And the different places that we have here, they feature like some of the things that that place is famous for. So Russia with the cute little dolls, the little stacking dolls, and vodka, of course, and ballet. That's awesome. And some food the name is not coming to my head, so please leave a comment if you can remember, because I should know what that is and I don't. It's just completely slipped my mind. But super cute pattern. I love that. Very, very adorable. And then over here for Italy, we have the Leaning Tower of Pisa, and we have pizza and gelato, it looks like, and, you know, coffee like espresso. Good hallmarks of the country for sure, right? Get all those in there. And then we have for the France one, Paris, we have the Eiffel Tower, we have cheese and perfume and macaroons and artwork, wine, all those bread. That's perfect kind of summation of France, right? And then last one is England, London. And we have classic things such as Big Ben. Looks like that's a teddy bear. That's cute. And an umbrella because it rains like all the time, right? No, it doesn't. But a lot. There's a red phone booth, tea, double-decker bus, electric guitar. Awesome. Nice, good stuff that kind of is a hallmark of England. So really cute paper. Certainly could be used for so many fun things. And a really great deal. I mean, all this, 48 sheets of really nice design papers, only 100 yen. So check it out if you're here and you're visiting. You have to go to 100 yen stores. Daiso too. All of them. Go to them. Waste all your money. No, it's a great place. Go there first so that you can get everything, and then you can, you know, choose what you want to spend your money on at other places if you want to pay for a higher quality, I'd say, but not really, because some, you know, this is still really good quality, so it can be tricky. But I will have some more fun things to share with you guys in the days to come, so look for that. Thanks again always so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye!